Mr. Mojo here, and we're going to be talking about the features and benefits of your Keto-Mojo meter. Why would you choose to have a Keto-Mojo meter in your home? Well, quite simply, it's one of the finest pieces of machining that you can get in a meter. It conforms not only to the stringent FDA standards, but also to the ISO 15197 standards, which means its degree of accuracy is one of the industry leading. You can have 5 milligrams per deciliter under 100 milligrams. That's only a 5% variance, and the FDA allow you to be out by almost 20%. In addition, our meters are the only meters in the world that come with a lifetime warranty, so you can be assured that your meter will always work, or we are going to replace it for you. In addition to that, our meter can also work down to a very low level of ketones. There are some meters on the market that will only show you around about 0.5. So because we can measure from 0.1 all the way up to 0.5, you can now see as you slowly edge closer to nutritional ketosis. These are one of just a few reasons as to why you would choose a Keto-Mojo meter. Other reasons can be the fact that we have a really great kick-ass customer service that is based here in the United States. I have a team on the East Coast and a team on the West Coast that are there to take your calls, your email, your Facebook, your Instagram, or any other social media questions, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as we possibly can. So let's sum it up. Not only do you get one of the most affordable and accurate meters that is on the market, you get an ISO 15197 certified meter. You get great kick-ass customer service both on the East Coast and the West Coast of the United States. It is manufactured in an ISO 9001 facility, which is the highest standards of engineering that you can get and manufacturing. So tell me, why else would you choose any other meter?